Today I'm making spicy tomato and chorizo bucatini. If you've never used bucatini before, it's kind of like a slightly fatter pasta that's got a hole all the way down the middle and it absorbs that flavour of the sauce all the more. So let's get cooking. I've got a large pan of water on to boil ready for the pasta, and while that's heating up, we're going to cook the chorizo. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large frying pan over a medium heat. Add 200 grams, which is about 7 ounces of chopped chorizo, and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring often until slightly browned and slightly crisp. Now remove the cooked chorizo from the pan and place in a bowl, leaving that lovely spicy oil behind. By now the pasta water should be boiling, so we want to add 300 grams, which is about 10.5 ounces of bucatini to the water, and then cook as per the pack instructions. Meanwhile, add a finely chopped onion, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper to the pan with the chorizo oil and give it a good stir together. We're going to cook for about 5 minutes, stirring often until that onion starts to soften. Now add in 2 minced cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of chilli flakes and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Stir together and cook for a further 2 minutes, stirring often. Next in goes a 400 gram or 14 ounce can of finely chopped tomatoes, plus 120 ml or 1/2 cup of chicken stock. Stir it all together, bring to the boil, then turn down the heat and simmer for 5 minutes. By now that pasta should be cooked, so we're going to drain the pasta off, reserving about 1/2 cup of the pasta cooking water. Add the cooked chorizo back to the frying pan, along with the drained bucatini and 50 grams or 1/2 cup of grated parmesan. Stir together and heat for another 2 minutes, adding splashes of the pasta cooking water if you want to loosen the sauce up. Now divide the pasta between plates or bowls and top with some chopped parsley, some parmesan and some black pepper before serving. A delicious spicy pasta dish with lovely salty chorizo. Make sure you serve it up with plenty of garlic bread as well.